Here we have a typical 9 by 4.5 metre domestic outdoor pool. It's 7 o'clock on an April morning. The pool is heated to 28 degrees C, but the air temperature is only 1 degree C. And as you can see, there's a high level of visible evaporation with steam rising from the entire surface of the pool. Since evaporation accounts for between 70 to 90% of pool heat loss, this steam represents a significant waste of money. Even without visible steam, the water is still evaporating and losing heat. Alan's now measuring out a small daily dose of HeatSaver for a pool of this size. The dosing rate is 0.8 millilitres per square metre, so for this pool the correct dose is about 32 millilitres. HeatSaver can be dosed manually or automatically using a chemical dosing pump. Automatic dosing is to be preferred as it ensures that the correct dose of HeatSaver is added to the pool regularly at the same time each day. Here we're manually dosing so as to demonstrate the dramatic effect you are about to experience. The HeatSaver liquid has now been added to this steaming pool. The self-spreading properties of HeatSaver means that the liquid rapidly dissipates across the pool surface. In fact, apart from any help from the circulation system, it spreads at a rate of about 6 miles per hour to form what is termed a monomolecular layer. That is a transparent layer 1 molecule thick. Just watch closely and see what happens in a very short space of time. Whilst the demonstration you are seeing is on a relatively small pool, HeatSaver works the same on any size or shape of outdoor or indoor pool. As you watch, you can see that in literally less than a minute from when it was added, the HeatSaver is beginning to take effect, and the rising steam is reducing progressively as the HeatSaver spreads to the far end of the pool. The monomolecular layer is forming, and as it does so, it's very effectively inhibiting the evaporation. Within 2 minutes, the visible evaporation from the pool has completely stopped, which can only mean that the heat loss from the pool has been dramatically reduced. Just think, HeatSaver has been demonstrated here under extreme conditions. So if HeatSaver can visibly suppress the steaming evaporation from a pool when the air is so cool, it must certainly work at all other times. Unlike a conventional pool blanket which has to be removed from the pool when swimming, HeatSaver breaks apart whenever the water is disturbed by swimmers, but as soon as the water becomes calm again, the protective layer is reformed. So HeatSaver is a flexible cover available 24 hours a day that adjusts perfectly and automatically to changing conditions and pool activity. For outdoor pools, HeatSaver works like a conventional solar blanket, enabling the pool to benefit from direct solar radiation and at the same time reducing the cost of any conventional heating. For indoor pools, savings in energy costs can be even greater, since HeatSaver reduces the overall energy usage, which includes the cost of dehumidification and air heating. Depending on building design and pool usage, an overall reduction in energy costs can be as high as 50% when compared to an uncovered pool.